What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video before final assembly, and actually I'm going to assemble it with minimum edits of the video, I want to point a couple of things. I hope it will help. So it's still level complexity at 8, which is, I won't recommend to do it if you don't have experience. So first of all, I'm encouraging you reading the manual. Sometime I'm reading the manual, sometimes not, but manual is not telling me a couple of things. It's not telling me where I'm going to connect that Marklin uncoupler device, okay, to the board here. So what I did, I took the board, this is direct, Locksound direct, and they're using micro here, and actually with a tester, because there is no like resistors or anything like this, test exactly which pin connects to auxiliary 1 output, and also the plus, the common here. So honestly I thought it should be here on this side, but this is here. We'll look closer to it. The motor looks like nice and it's running very smooth, but I don't think so it's any European manufacturer. It's made in China, because the engine will cost maybe $100 on top. So they have capacitors here, because it's only like four wheels, and I make a hole for the wires here from the coupler, and it's just going over here. 2 contacts, I'll show you a little bit later. 2 contacts here for the light in the cab. Okay, so that was my toughest time to figure out where's the output. Also, I use my Locksound programmer software, and the programmer actually read the file back, make sure it's all good, and try to figure out, and it's in auxiliary 1 output for the uncoupling mechanism. Okay, I still have a question about lights. I will do testing later, just curiosity, because of the Swiss rules. I believe they're using more than they're using like 4 extra functions, but it's hidden in the file, like a program. When I'm trying to use the programmer, it says something about like macros doing some logic. Okay, so let's put it together. Those wires just going through the 2 holes here, and on the other side to the motor and pickup. And all these wires here and like few here going to lights. Almost forgot to show you the speaker right here, glued to the bottom. First of all, I don't have that assembly supposed to be coming with a model kind of chamber, but I don't like the idea. I mentioned it in the previous video. So I solder wires, cut a little bit contacts, and solder wires to the contacts, and solder wires. It's around on this side, 2 wires connects on the bottom of that board with the solder, so no questions. I'm pulling those wires up. Okay, got 1st screw, 2 pins here and there just to position the board. So here we go, and to be on the safe side, I'm just using Kapton tape to secure the decoder here, and to avoid any repositioning wires from the uncoupling mechanism Yeah, something like this. So it's they're not gonna touch those pads. Here we go. Extra, no problem. Wires here, over here, no problem. Okay, let's put the top. I'm testing one more time. Make sure the lights in the cab is working. Let's see. Here we go. Then I can push the top and those locks will be in place. One here. See the blue? And one here. All right. Let's put screws. Here we go. It's completed. I need to put 3 detail parts after testing. As I said before, this is between installation, kind of for fun, relaxing me. Sorry, don't get me wrong, it's maybe not relaxing you, but it is. I thought it would be like level 4 to 5 because it's plug and play, which is plug and play when decoders in mid-2000, really plug and play decoders, boards and all that stuff came. Yes, you don't need a solder or anything, but this is not just about solder, it's just like figure out a lot of stuff. So thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.